the female bike with the aftermarket breather swap done by somebody personal install. Bike won't start situation. Fool with the tool to the rescue situation. This one we rebuilding fully. We ain't doing no, oh, I'm gonna fix it quick and putting it back together. We have to rebuild. Do it all the way from the bottom up, Jack. Now the question is, do you want to take this challenge? Anyways, it's off. Yeah, it's off. Yeah, man, it's heartless. It's heartless. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of you though, man. We gotta get that shit together. All right, so I got the motor off the bike and tore down. We're gonna find out what's going on. Why your bike won't start. I already know why, but it's good to show the world sometimes what the problem is. Good to show the world what the problem is. So here we go. Your bike won't start. Why? Your bike won't start. Why? Oh yeah. Let's see what the back cylinder look like. Huh. Your bike won't start. Why? That motherfucker was in there jumping around. You can see. You can see. So yeah, there's the problem.